OP further writes, part of me feels guilty. Another part struggles because the connection, messages, and sexting already existed at this point. Only after this came the conversations about unhappiness, self discovery, freedom, questioning monogamy, relationship structures, etc.
Hmm. From what OP has put out, na, I think both of them had just checked out of this relationship for a while and were just too scared or too lazy or just did not want to have that hard conversation where they talked their feelings out and separated on amicable terms.
Probably. Maybe this relationship kind of overstayed its welcome. About a month ago, I even suggested a relationship break because everything felt stuck and overwhelming. During that break, she had sex with him.
अरे यार